at Whole Foods Market and we're going to talk about mint liqueur. If you're like me and you have an abundance of mint with the summer winding down and you're wondering what to do with it, mint liqueur is an easy thing to do. So you go to your local spirit shop and you get some vodka, and for every 3 cups vodka, it's 1/4 cup mint and 1/4 cup sugar. And you let it set for 3 months so that all the flavors can come together, and then you will actually have mint liqueur. And every now and then you'll just give it a shake while it's setting in a cool, dark place. And after your 3 months has passed, you'll strain, and then you'll come to a beautiful mint liqueur that looks like this. And this is something that's perfect for gifts also.